Shipping a car to Nicaragua is straightforward when you follow the right steps and work with the right shipping service. Nicaragua is a growing country with increasing demand for imported vehicles. If you're moving to this beautiful Central American country, having your car with you can make life much easier. From its major cities like Managua and Granada to its bustling towns like Leon and Masaya, having your vehicle in Nicaragua is essential for convenience. Shipping a car to Nicaragua can cost anywhere from $1,300 to $3,500, depending on the type of vehicle and shipping method. Let's break down the key factors that influence the cost. Customs duties in Nicaragua depend on the vehicle's engine size and model. Larger engines tend to be taxed at a higher rate. Your shipping method also plays a big role in determining the cost. Here are some typical shipping costs and timeframes for sending your car to Nicaragua from different U.S. cities. Prices can vary based on the season and the size of the vehicle. Shipping via RoRo, roll-on/roll-off, is typically more affordable and faster, while container shipping provides extra security at a higher price. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the notification bell for more helpful tips on international car shipping.